Hi, and welcome to the Wig Studio One YouTube channel. My name is Alicia, and I'm a reviewer for Wig Studio One. Wig Studio One sent me this brand new release style by Noriko. I'm wearing Ren, and this one's in the color Sea Salt Blonde R. There will be a purchase link to this style down below this video, and you will also find a link, and we would love to invite you to please come over and join us on the Wig Studio One private support Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Toppers Support Group. Okay, everyone, let me turn around and show you this textured pixie. It has a little bit longer fringe here in the front, really short in the back. I want to give you a good look at that nape. I think this is a 1.5. Yes, it's a 1.5 inch nape. And I just want you to notice how it's sculpted around the ear. Because if you have a really, low hairline, you have to be aware of that. So I just wanted to show you how this is just beautifully sculpted at the nape. Let me turn around again. This style is made from heat-friendly fibers. It says the fringe is 3.75 inches, so 3.75 inches for this fringe. I'm 2.5 inches from the top of my hairline to the top of my brow. If maybe that'll help to show you where this fringe might fall on you. I'm 8 inches from the top of my hairline to the bottom of my chin. It says the crown is 3 inches, the nape is 1.5 inches, and this doll only weighs 1.9 ounces. It is feather light. I do not feel like I have anything on my head. This doll has an extended lace front, so let me show you the lace front. A beautiful extended lace front. There's that pretty look of realism. It goes all the way down into the ear tab. This cap is fitting me very comfortable for my all average measurements. I have a 22-inch circumference. Sometimes Noriko caps can be just, a little bit snug on me, but this one is fitting me perfectly. There's quite a bit of stretch in this cap, so I'm really happy with the average fit of this Noriko cap. So I think petite average to average could wear this comfortably. But I do want to show you my coverage. I have really good coverage. Here's the bottom of the ear tab, here's the top of my ear, and that's just what provides us really excellent coverage on the sides. I'm going to show you this little parting space right here, just to show you what a pretty parting space that has. I love all of the texture in this. You can fluff this up a little bit if you want to here on the sides. There's a little bit of permatease just right here on the sides, but it is a very minimal amount. There's none at the ear tabs. Maybe the tiniest bit at the crown, but I don't feel any at the back or in the nape. So just a tiny bit right here on the sides. Let's look at this beautiful color, Sea Salt Blonde R. It says a mixture of cool icy blonde, so we can see some cool icy blonde, and warm dark blonde and a rich brown root. So we can see that icy blonde, warm dark blonde blended together on this darker root. Let me show you the inside of the cap for Ren. Ren has this extended lace front, and it goes all the way down into this soft covered ear tab. It has a metal stay in it, and it has this extended nape, these Velcro adjusters, and the rest of this cap is open wefted. This is just an adorable style. You could wear this off of your face. If you wanted to pull this back, for a chic look, you could do that. This style has a lot of texture in it. These fibers are very impressionable, and they just move wherever I want them to move. So because of this beautiful lace front, if you wanted to pull this back off of your face, you could do that. Or, you could pull your fringe down and wear it more like this. Let me just pull this down so that you can see this. So you can see that it has a little bit of a bang here. So you just wear your bang however you like to wear it. You can wear it swept over to the side, up off of your face. That beautiful lace front would just give you that natural look of your own scalp. This tucks behind the ears really nicely. I think it's a fun but very polished look. Just a beautiful new style by Noriko. If you need help with customer service, you can reach out to the customer support team at Wig Studio One by email. It's support@wigstudio1.com. Thank you so much for watching, and the biggest thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me this style. I just think it is an adorable, low density, easy to wear all day style. Okay, everyone.